Hello. Okay, so finally today for the dance clubhouse, right? Home in the day lah, dance club at night. This house we are finally having carpentry go in. Long story short lah, there's always a long story behind. I'm resigning to fate already, as you can see. So long story short, we were supposed to clad the walls with full concrete panels, but then there was a delay in the delivery due to COVID, and because there's a delay, we cannot install the full concrete panels on the wall, hence we cannot install the carpentry. So the delay is like domino lah, one affects another, so bo bian. But now we're doing all we can to speed things up by installing the utility yard carpentry first. So by the time the concrete panel comes, then our main TV console can go in, and then we can get everything going lah, including the bar window carpentry, because need to clad the ill-fated concrete panels as well. So yeah, again told you lah, grandmother story. Every time there's a grandmother story one. Okay, so I will bring you up to take a look. Okay, right now you're looking at the yard, utility yard. Okay, so what happens is we are going to have a full height floor to ceiling cabinet, okay, so that we can put washing machine, dryer all here, but yet there's countertop to do clothes folding and ironing and stuff. And this will be where the fridge goes in. Of course, fridge will eventually still pop up a bit, same as washer and dryer, because if everything were to sui be as deep as the fridge and the washer and dryer, right, then the cabinet has to be super bulky, like very claustrophobic. So the final decision is to let the washer dryer stick out a bit from the cabinet. Okay, there's no door. Fridge confirm will stick out one otherwise not enough space, because it's really very tight. So I think this is a very good utilization of this space. Previously they didn't do anything because basically no reno done so then I thought this space is quite wasted, better fully utilized. So next time, all the excessive barang that cannot fit into the kitchen can go here. Okay? So this is the yard, and this kitchen, right, is existing kitchen from the condo. What we'll do is re-laminate to off-white and light wood to gel with the rest of the house. So this will be gone eventually. The fridge will be gone. The fridge will go there, correct? And this will be the bar window where they will do drinks, right? Then serve over the bar counter. Okay. Then people outside can take drinks from the hole and drink themselves silly. Where this will be the dining table. So now from far can see this bar window lah. Eventually we will have the word bar here, and all this will be re-laminated to go with the whole look. And all this, right, so the ill-fated concrete panels actually will start from here, clad this wall with full concrete panel. and then all this will be full concrete panel. That's why the delay is causing delay in our carpentry to go in, because all this has to go in first ma. Then our TV console can go up. Okay? Here also we have a window. This is our glass window for the bar window, so it can flip up, flip down to close it when you are cooking. So without the full panel, full concrete panel, it's basically 大起了了. And here we have already clad with white craft stone, looking very chill. So eventually, okay lah, now like war zone, but eventually there'll be a nice couch here, nice poster, plants. Okay, then this TV console will look like a platform of sorts. Okay, now you cannot imagine lah. Then outside we will have a swing chair and a stand-alone armchair, and some chill plants. Even on the TV console, right, above it we will have chill artificial plants as well. So the whole vibe is very chill and more beach vibe lah. Although we are not looking for those kind of beach boys the very strong roof kind of beach, but it's a different kind of chill beach vibe lor, that is a little bit more atas, a little bit more. Okay. Then of course we will have other than nice sofa, we'll have nice rug, then more plants. So will be cool lah, will be cool. Okay. See all our carpentry. This will be the countertop and backsplash for our utility cabinet that you saw just now. So cute. I like it. This is part of our TV console. This will be the main niche for the TV to go in. Can you see? We are using concrete laminate. Sui. I love this concrete laminate. So nice. The main thing is the whole thing, right, will look grayish, whitish, and with some black accents here and there. Then inside is off-white and light wood. So very light and breezy feel, even though we are using concrete light laminate. Can you see? Concrete light laminate. So as for the bedrooms, right, actually it's more about 整形. What happens is we already remove an existing wardrobe, okay, to free up the space. So this will be the perfect workspace. We will have nice study desk that can overlook out into the sea. Later I'll bring you all to the balcony and see lah. So super nice. Okay, but this condo comes with very tinted windows, which I think is an issue with many people. So then finally, this will be the master bedroom. Currently all cement screeded, but we still have to pull some areas. Then this is the existing wardrobe that comes with this condo, but again, the choice of laminate is questionable. So we are going to re-laminate. Okay. Doors not doing anything to it. All these doors not doing anything. Okay, until further notice. So I will think it's a pure joy to wake up in a very sun-filled room lah. So I love this place. Okay. So Aga is like that. We're not doing anything to the existing bathrooms. But the main area itself, including re-lamination of existing door frame and doors, right? And the main door will already make this whole house super chill. So I can't wait to see everything coming together. Okay, now I bring you out to see the very $1 million sea view. Chill or not? I think it's damn chill. Dun, 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 dun. The other houses not so chill. Okay, so later I'll be going that side to chill. Chill as in look at my sea lah. I miss my sea. Since I'm near, I'll go there. So this balcony say big not big, say small not small. So after putting in 2 chairs, I think 差不多 already. Can't expect a lot more to be squeezed in lah. I think most important thing is to have enough greenery to spruce up the space. Final look before we transform further. Is paying last respect to a deceased plant. I can't remember what this is already. Is this spring onion? Anyway, 死掉 already lah. Cannot be revived. But the rest of the cute plants are still well and alive. You must 振作, okay? You cannot die. You also. You guys are cute and chill. Don't die, okay? That one will bury lah, Okay, I'm not too sure if you can feel it. I'm actually very excited over what's going to happen on site over the next few weeks. So once everything goes in right, the place will take shape, and then we'll start to do the other miscellaneous stuff like metalworks. Because this whole carpentry thingy is not just carpentry. For the TV console, there's also metalworks going in. So then there'll be exciting lights as well. Doomsh, 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 doomsh. So it's going to be interesting lah. So I can't wait. So hopefully the concrete panels will come in on time, the delayed timeline on time, then won't cause me more issues. Okay, so I'll show you next time. Next time carpentry will all be in already. See ya.